Hey everyone, welcome to week 5 in AP Stats. There are two things I want to talk about this week for the video. First are the deadlines that are coming up for Chapter 2, and then the retake process for Chapter 1 summative exams. The process for Chapter 2 is actually a shorter section, so be really careful. If I look at the calendar here, you actually have a deadline this coming week. So on Friday, October 8th, you must have all of the work done up until the mid-chapter free response for Chapter 2 by 3 p.m. on Friday. Then that following week, if you take a look at it, we have the Chapter 2 summative assessment. So that's coming up here. You're going to find the deadline for the end of Chapter 2 is going to be pushed right into here right before MEA. So it's October 19th. By 3 p.m., you have to have the second half of Chapter 2 done and all of your summative assessments for that. So if you have a planner that you keep track of, please put the two deadlines again, October 8th for the mid chapter and October 19th to have the whole thing done. Again, you are more than welcome to, when we get to the end of Chapter 2, to take the summative assessments that are scheduled beforehand on there. Just sign up on the link for scheduling your test. Or again, you have a little bit of wiggle room. It looks like about a good 3 days for that one. So those are the upcoming deadlines. In terms of the retake, if you are interested in retaking Chapter 1 material, please go into the folder and you're going to want to scroll all the way down and we're going to go into the final assessments. Now, hopefully you did catch that we are doing the multiple choice as a summative assessment. You're going to get a score of 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1 based on your percent correct. What you're going to see in Schoology for the score on that one, this was out of 11 points. Remember, a 9, 10, or 11 correct got you a 5. And then I believe it was a 6, 7, or 8 got you a 4, and so forth. If you are not content with that score, please read this and how you're going to want to retake the multiple choice. I have opened up this green puzzle piece so you can see your answers. Just thoroughly read this, and basically it comes down to this. We have this week to do the retake process. Step 1 of your retake process for your relearning for the multiple choice is you need to go to your puzzle piece and you're going to do a separate sheet of paper, do test corrections for every multiple choice question you got wrong. Here's an example of what you would do. I need you to write down the problem that you got wrong, and you need to explain to me why the other 4 options are wrong and then why the 5th option is correct. Do that for all of the problems, and then you're going to upload that as your relearning right here to this assignment. Then for the retake, you're going to want to sign up for a testing session. It has to be either win 1 or win 2. So that would be this coming Thursday. Please sign up, or if you want me to lock you in, let me know. Send me an email or talk to me, and I will lock you in for that. So the deadline for this retake really is this coming Thursday by the end of the win 2 session. Then come on in for step 3 to the session you signed up for. Bring your calculator and a pencil. I will give you the formula sheet. You are not allowed to use any materials on this retake for the multiple choice, and it is paper-based. They are completely different questions, so please study for this one. They're not even necessarily similar types of questions, but they are similar from the category of being from Chapter 1. But they are doable if you study. Now, if you want to retake the free response, this one here, since your answers are not posted online, your step 1 on here is you need to come and see me either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday this week, anytime between 7:30 and 3:15. We'll get out your test and we will go over your test. You will want to bring your Chapter 1 note packet with you. On the front cover of your Chapter 1 note packet is a list of all the learning objectives. What we'll do is we'll sit down, we'll look at the problems you got wrong, and highlight the learning objectives that they are synced up with. In the Chapter 1 packet, it talks about some extra practice problems that are embedded in that packet. That is your relearning for this. So anything assigned with that learning objective is what you would do for your relearning. You would do those problems on a separate piece of paper. You would check your answers because they're posted in the corresponding folders. Then down here, as you're relearning, this is where you're going to upload the work showing me that you've done some of that relearning. Similar to the multiple choice, you're then going to sign up on the testing reservation form for either win 1 or win 2 for this coming Thursday. Come on in, bring your pencil and calculator. Again, I supply you the formula sheet. You're not allowed to use any resources for this test, and you would retake the entire free response test, which again will be about 3 questions. This needs to be done also by this Thursday by the end of win 2. So officially, the retake window has opened up. Please email me, come into my room and let me know what questions you have. If you want to retake the free response and you want to set up a time now, you can email me this weekend and we can see if we can sync up something for Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Plan on about meeting with me for about 5 minutes to go over the free response, and that should really do it. Other than that, we are almost halfway through the quarter. Please let me know if you need anything, and have a great week 5.